This week, we're going to hear from John Polson, partner, Fisher & Phillips Attorneys, about next practices in the changing playing field for employers and employees.
Employers are used to complying with rules, particularly in California, where the rules change all the time. You see a new law come from the legislature, you talk to your lawyer about it, you comply with the rule, and you probably get sued anyway. That's the way it's been for decades in California. The playing field is changing, however. It's not just about new rules today. Today, the courts and the government, plaintiffs' lawyers, all the players are changing the playing field completely, and you need to plan ahead for this. For example, for many, many years, the American employment model has been one that's basically revolved around freedom. Freedom to employ who you want to employ, freedom to change your mind about who you employ, freedom to leave your job and go do something else. And that has led to things like the Uber model, where you have freelancers working on their own from their cars, and you have people working from home on their own. That's one thing that's changing. Uber contractors are suing, trying to claim that they're employees so that they can get wages and benefits. You see tax collectors making the same types of arguments. Beyond that, you see organizations like the National Labor Relations Board trying to unwind the franchisor-franchisee model by claiming that the franchisor and the franchisee are one employer and then liable for all the employment responsibilities. You see the federal administration in Washington trying to change how you pay people who are exempt from overtime. Perhaps in parts of America requiring companies to pay 2, 3, or 4 times what they pay people today to make them exempt. The rules are changing in other ways as well that are very fundamental, going from what used to be an at-will employment relationship with a bunch of rules to comply with to a situation where the government really is in every nook and cranny of a business, and a business has to do a lot more than it used to. Because it's not just a matter of rules, instead it's a matter of changing the structure of employment, you must plan ahead for this. Waiting for the laws to come and then waiting to get sued, worse yet, if you don't comply with the laws, is not really a viable model. Strategic planning is necessary.
I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come back every other Thursday of the month for a new video. Visit our website at enpinstitute.com for upcoming events and to continue the next practices exploration.